Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, yes, it's that time of month again. It's subscription boxes and we are unboxing September subscription boxes. Now I haven't got a few, I've only got 4 to do today because I have done a couple of them on a separate video, which I did the positivity package earlier on in the week, and I've done the beguile one separate, which you will be able to see next week. So it's just a few to do today. So this video shouldn't be too long. So if you haven't already, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And let's get into the video. Okay, so first up we're going to go in with Birchbox, and we've got friendship is all about with you. Okay, so we've got a lovely making memories, traveling. So these are stickers. How cool are those? Got some stickers: making memories, traveling, laughing, drinking, creating, learning, growing old, having adventures, going dancing, having fun. God, it's been such a long time since I've been out and had a good little dance and had fun. Okay, so obviously we've got the info card with all the products that are inside this month's box, and so friendship is all about, and then you put the sticker there with you. Get it now? So that's what you want to put there. So this is really cute. So you could actually give this to a friend and, you know, pass it on. So this month is all about friendship. Get together with your bestie and treat yourselves to the beauty goodies in this month's Birchbox. We also want to thank you for your friendship, for allowing us to delight you with beauty treats. There is truly nothing better than a friend, unless it's a friend you can pamper yourself with. True. Not bad. I like that. Okay, so let's get into the product. So first up we have a Mocha Beauty long lasting lipstick. I think, is this one where we had to choose? I can't remember. Was it out of a lip gloss and a lipstick? So I chose the lipstick. Or was that the last one? Oh, I like this colour. That's nice, isn't it? So this is in the shade Petal, and that's a really nice, like a pinky nudie colour. And this is retailing at £12. So that's the full size there. Then we have a This Works roll-on perfume to skin and calm your senses. So this is a stress check roll-on. Oh God, I needed this last week. It smells really nice. So it's retailing at £18. We come up against stresses big and small every single day. Pop this roller ball in your handbag and roll the relaxing super blend onto your pulse points to help reduce tension and calm your mind during stressful moments. The star ingredients: eucalyptus to invigorate, frankincense to relax, and lavender to help relieve tension. Let's put some here then. See what happens. In fact, all of This Works products are 100% cruelty free. So yeah, this is nice to de-stress. We'll see how it goes. Then next up we have a Percy and Reed Wonder Overnight Recovery. What do I wear in bed? Percy and Reed, of course. So this is a instantly absorbed into dry hair. Wonder Overnight Recovery helps to nourish and rehydrate every strand, boosting hair strength and flexibility. It combats brittleness, breakage, and the signs of daily damage, dreaming. And this is retailing full size at £20. So the full size, this is obviously the travel size, but the full size is £20. That's that one. Then next up we have a BFF Beauty Crop from the Beauty Crop Brow Friends Forever. This is a grow and groom brow gel. Well, I don't need to grow and groom. Well, they could do with the grooming, but I don't need to grow. Got big, thick, bushy eyebrows. I know. So this is the full size, and this is retailing at £10. Okay. Then we have a Nukes. Is it a Nukes? Nukes Bio-Organic. It's a seaweed skin correcting moisturizing fluid. Okay, so the full size is retailing at £36, and it's a organic skin correcting moisturizing fluid from the brand new Nukes organic range. This moisturizing fluid with brown algae extract corrects skin imperfections such as redness, blemishes, and textural irregularities. The natural origin hyaluronic acid moisturizes while the light texture leaves skin mattified, perfecting pores day by day. Smooth onto your face, neck, and décolletage, and enjoy improved skin quality. So this is part of their new organic range. So I'm going to give that a try and see what we think. And then last but not least, we have a Estee Lauder. This is obviously a sample. So this is retailing at £49 bottle, and it's a Nuturia Super Pomegranate Moisturising Cream. Plump, glowing skin, look no further. This antioxidant fueled moisturiser drenches your skin with intense all-day hydration whilst also protecting. Harnessing the power of pomegranates, the Super Pomegranate Complex was created to defend skin from environmental aggressors, read pollution, whilst also nourishing. So that's a sample size for you to give it a go. Not bad. It's full of little pampering. So that's what is in this month's Birchbox. Okay, and then in honor of your friendship, we're celebrating you, our customers, this month. To show just how much we appreciate you, we've lined up some exciting surprises for you this month. Discover by heading to the birchbox.co.uk. Spread the love. Here's to friendship. We are excited to announce the Birchbox Advent Calendar is back, and I'm trying to get my hands on it. I think I ordered it the other day. I can't remember. I've ordered a couple of boxes, and I hope you guys are going to stick around for Vlogtober because there's going to be lots of Advent unboxing. So I hope you guys are going to stay tuned and come and check that out in October. Next up, we've got Glossybox, and in here we have, what do we have? Sure, is it the Huda Beauty skincare collection? Is it Wishful? Sure, there's that in here this month. Okay, so we have, oh yes, we've got an Avant product, hyaluronic vitamin C jojoba oil. This is a supreme hyaluronic acid antioxidant duo moisturizer, 50ml. Now this is probably worth 100 quid, so you've got your money back already from this box. It's amazing. Then we have a intensive skin therapy smooth skin. It's from Amolorate. What is it? Okay, so it's a non-greasy multi-purpose balm to any troublesome areas and gently massage until the balm is completely absorbed. Contains the unique skin hydration complexion. Take it, it's like a moisturizer or something. Then we've got a Imperial Leather Foam Burst, and this is lychee and lotus flower. Then we have a coffee scrub, so for buttery smooth soft skin. This I think's been before. Oh my god. Okay. Then we've got the Yo Glow enzyme scrub from Wishful. I can't wait to give this a try. Pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, AHA, BHA. That's all it says. Does it smell of pineapple? Nope. Doesn't smell like pineapple. Okay, we'll give that a go and see what we think. And then we have some Lindor chocolate, which I can't eat on a strict diet. Okay, so that is Glossybox this month. Not a bad box. Okay, next up we have the Look Fantastic birthday box. So happy birthday to Look Fantastic. I think they're 6 years old this year. Is that what it is? Are they 6? Don't just count the years, make the years count. That's so true. We've got the little info booklet that they do, and yeah. Okay, so what's in the box? Let's have a look. I love the colour of it. I think it's such a nice colour. So it's all skincare based this month. So Elemis Pro Collagen Marine. This is worth £30. I think I've got this. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream. So I think I'm gonna put it in the giveaway box. I've definitely had this before. Disappointing. In fact, it's a very disappointing box for a birthday box. We've had all these before. So this is an ESPA Natural Beauty Inner Balm, and it's a micellar water. Okay, and that's worth £5.10. Then we have a you either get an Illamasqua highlighter or you get the balm highlighter. So that's that there, and this is worth £8. Get a Luxy brush, which is worth £15. That's a nice, what is it? It's a shader brush. Okay, quite disappointed about this box. Can you tell? It's the first time I've actually been disappointed. They look fantastic. Okay, then we've got a jade roller. I'll put that in the giveaway because I've got loads of these. So this is going to go in the giveaway, and this is worth £9.99. Then we have a Diego de la Palma lip pencil. This is worth £9.32. Actually goes quite nice with the Birchbox lipstick. I like that. You can't beat a nude. And then we've got it's a, what you call it? Yeah, and then you got a, a pop stopper, what they're called, to put on the back of your phone. I actually could do with one of these because I've got a dent on my finger from the phone. So that goes there like that. But then again, I don't want to put it on the back of my case because it's all the kids on there. So yeah, that was Look Fantastics this month. It's got loads of information there about all the product. Little sneak peek of next month. Look Fantastic! I'm absolutely gutted. I wasn't really happy with the box this month. And it was the birthday box. Happy birthday, but nah. Okay, so moving on, I have got the next beauty box, and it's quite heavy. It's got some really good goodies in there. So beauty treats are inside, and this is £20, and I think it's got over, wow, it's got some goodies in here. Okay, so what do we have? Look at all this. So this is what we've got inside the next beauty box for September. We have, oh wow, an iconic London chrome flash eye pot in Eclipse. This is what you call a beauty box. Oh wow, why do I smell them? So that's another one like that. So this is an eye, another eye. Oh wow, it's like a, that's a really nice colour. It's like a purple, metallic purple. That's really nice. That would be nice to go on with like a nice smoky look as well. Okay, so that is, glide across your lid for full on glamour or gently dab the jelly shimmer on top of your finished look for a touch of luxe. That's definitely going to give that a try. That out. Then we have a Hugo Boss perfumed hand and body lotion in, that smells really nice. It's alive. That's really nice. I might have to try the perfume out if there is a perfume. Then we have a Laudan lip liner in the shade Just Naked, so another nude lip liner. Then we've got a skinny tan in milk chocolate instant tan matte bronzer, suitable for face and body, satin finish, lasts all day and washes off. Milk chocolate. Can't wait to give that a try. Then we have a 24-hour brow setter, so that's a gel brow. Very, very nice. Then we have an Elamasca Hydra Veil Hydrating Gel. This best-selling clear gel instantly helps skin feel hydrated and smooth. The lightweight water-based formula is quickly absorbed by the skin and is in the perfect base for long wear foundation application, leaving your skin flawless. So it's like a primer. Such a cute little thing. So it's just a clear gel. That's nice. I'm gonna give this a little go as well. Okay. Then we have a Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. And Balance Me have just won an award, so congratulations. They are a really good brand. I love them. There's two sisters and they're really, really, they're amazing. And I love this brand as well. It's just such a good brand. How many times can I say brand in one sentence? I don't know. Then we have a Dr. Pawpaw Tinted Ultimate Red Balm Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm with Natural Pawpaw for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint tint fragrance free. So that's in the shade red. Then we have a toothpaste. So this is the Regenerate Emmanuel Science toothpaste. Then we have a Noble Isle Tea Rose body lotion. Never heard of this brand. That smells delicious. Oh yeah, got more of it. Yes. Okay, then we have a Fleur de Cerise, a cherry blossom from L'Occitane. That's what Duolab is part of as well. So this is a mousse. Oh, it's a bath and shower gel. I'm reading it in the French. In French. I can't get my words out today. Is that okay? And then we have the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. And this is a limited edition, but it smells absolutely delicious. Oh wow, loving the package. Oh, it smells amazing. I've run out of this. I had it, I used it religiously. It's probably one of the first oils I ever started to use from the subscription boxes, and it was really nice. And yeah, I've got some more, so yeah, that's it. So this is a really good beauty box for £20. You're getting well over £100 worth of stuff. You've got your sample sizes, but then you've got some full-size products as well. So that is actually on the next website in the beauty section. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check it out. But that is all of my subscription boxes this month. My mask time hasn't come yet. I don't know why that hasn't arrived. And I've also got the Deck of Scarlet coming, but I will do them. I'll do them in another video so you can share them, or I'll just share them over on my Instagram. Because yeah, I'm surprised they haven't come. They're usually here by now. But anyway guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you all on my next video. Bye.